तो दुश्मन को हराने के लिए दुश्मन की तरह बन जाओ।
Praveen Chaturvedi is basically a failed youth. He's got a fledgling career as a Ramleela actor.
छोटा मोटा रामलीलाज में he does बजरंगबली का रोल.
इस सीन से हमको देख के पता चलता है कि वो जो कैरेक्टर है बहुत जंपी है, रेस्टलेस है.
He's like the star of that Natak Mandali, and every time there's a show that happens, there are at least 4 people watching him.
कितने आदमी थे? कब तक हनुमान बन के पूछ लाते रहोगे? टैलेंटेड आदमी हो, 4 तालियों के अपना हुनर चौराहे पे बर्बाद कर रहे हो.
There's something missing in his life.
He has great aspirations, but he's not been doing anything about it.
Anything that shows them a promise of bigger life and a better life, they jump for it.
And he gets misled.
तुम्हारी बुद्धि वो गुरु भ्रष्ट कर दिया है.
गुरुजी के बारे में एक भी बात गलत बोले ना तो सर फोड़ देंगे तुम्हारा.
He's a fanatic, yeah. He really believes in his Guruji who runs a political party.
कोई हमें रोक के दिखाए, हम खून की नदियां बहा देंगे.
So Allah Rakha Khan is the identity that Praveen Chaturvedi takes.
मैं प्रवीण चतुर्वेदी, अल्लाह रखा खान.
Even the personality he adopts, that doesn't stop him from being, in a way, who he is. He's not the kind of guy who's conservative in any way when it comes to expressing himself.
ऐसा लगता है ये प्रवीण कुछ भी कर देगा, प्रवीण हाइपर है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो दिल के बहुत अच्छे हैं.
He thinks that he's a very fine actor, so he gets into every single smallest details of the character. Like he makes his beard.
Pulkit was a very, very stylized look. We had to make it very, very proper. We looked at a lot of beard. Karan liked the look. Till then we told Pulkit, you just keep growing your beard. You know, you don't touch it and be patient with us. So we did that.
His clothes are very, very typical.
We use a lot of colors to identify with a certain religion. We use shades of orange in his costume. You know, we use rust and browns. We kept it very earthy. The whole beauty of them traveling to Poland, and when the change happens, we see a complete reversal of that color coding happening.
Beautiful location. यहाँ रोमांस के लिए आना चाहिए. 5 AM. We're shooting since yesterday 5 AM. But we are hard work.
We gotta do what we gotta do, man.
So when Allah Rakha Khan meets Ishwar Chand Sharma, he thinks that Ishwar Chand Sharma is what Praveen Chaturvedi is.
The two characters meet together. They spend a lot of time. They're different from each other, but the kind of time that they spend,
They both like become really close friends. But Praveen Chaturvedi is, I think, really the cooler one in the film. RD is not here, so I can say that.
the art guy, man, the art guy. He knows so much about art.
ये मेरे सारे सीन्स की मेन लीड है और मैं इसका सपोर्टिंग एक्टर हूँ. हमारे सीन्स में मेन लीड कौन है?
You know, Pulkit is a wonderful actor. He's a very fine actor.
Pulkit is nothing like the character he plays.
He's like Hafiz in real life, and he's not even playing Hafiz.
He's very soft-spoken, but the moment he steps in front of the camera, he's like going all out because that was his character. He's loud and energetic.
He's someone who had this immense amount of energy and aggression and comic timing and yet innocence on his face. So it just feels great to share that kind of energy on screen.
Boiling hot weather, 47 degrees, 54 degrees, actually 5 to 4 degrees. This is the only way of getting heat.